The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. In this case, the hypotenuse is square root 5 superscript 2 plus 12 superscript 2 equals square root 169 equals 13. A regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. The side of each equilateral triangle is equal to the radius of the circle, so the perimeter of the hexagon is 6 times 6 equals 36. Let \d represent the number of days the car was rented. The total cost of the car rental can be represented by the equation \40d plus \15 equals \235. Solving for \d, we get \d equals 5. A regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. The side of each equilateral triangle is equal to the radius of the circle, so the perimeter of the hexagon is 6 times the radius, or 6 times 6 is equal to 36. The area of a circle is given by the formula A equals pi r superscript 2, where r is the radius. Substituting 5 for r, we get A equals pi 5, superscript 2 equals 25 pi. Adding the two equations together eliminates y and gives us 2x equals 16. Dividing both sides by 2 gives x equals 8. We can solve this system of equations using elimination. Adding the two equations together, we get 2x plus y equals 12. Solving for x, we find x equals 12y/2. Substituting this value of x into the first equation, we get 12y/2 plus 2y equals 10. Multiplying both sides by 2, we get 12 minus y plus 4y is equal to 20. Combining like terms, we get 3y equals 8. Therefore, y equals 8/3. Since triangle ABC is isosceles, angle ABC and angle ACB have the same measure. The sum of the measures of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle ABC is 180 to 40/2 equals 70 degrees. A function is undefined when the denominator of a fraction equals 0. In the given function, the denominator is x2, which equals 0 when x equals 2. Therefore, the function is undefined when x equals 2. The cost of driving 200 miles is 200 miles asterisk 0.25 mile equals 50. The cost of renting the car for 3 days is 3 days asterisk 40 day equals 120. The total cost of the rental is 50 plus 120 is equal to 170. The standard form of the equation of a circle with center, h, k, and radius r is xh superscript 2 plus yk superscript 2 equals r superscript 2. Substituting the given values, we get x2 superscript 2 plus y3 superscript 2 equals 5 superscript 2, or x2 superscript 2 plus y3 superscript 2 equals 25. The total score of the first group of students is 100 times 75 equals 7,500. The total score of the second group of students is 50 times 85 equals 4,250. The total score of all 150 students is 7,500 plus 4,250 is equal to 11,750. Therefore, the average score of all 150 students is 11,750 divided by 150 is equal to 80.